Are you still worried about your car getting dirty? You no longer have to worry about the hygiene inside the car in the future. With this car vacuum cleaner, you no longer have to worry about cleaning about inside the car. Whether it's tiny gaps or soft surfaces, it allows you to easily clean every corner. Its wireless charging design allows you to clean your car anytime, anywhere without worrying about power cord limitations. This is not just suction. It blows very strongly. Now it's Black Friday, and the discount is very strong. The price has already dropped a lot.